Fenty is here. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time seeing this beautiful chocolate face, do not forget to subscribe. Like, you see the red button, make it great, and subscribe to join the cherry gang. And if you haven't already, my social media accounts will be listed up above just for you, and in the description box just for you. Now, if you are already a part of the gang, a part of the crew, welcome back, Terry, and I hope you're doing well, whichever spectrum you are on. So, by the title, you already know what's about to go down. You already know why we're here. Now that you've subscribed and followed me on my social media accounts, let's get right into this video because I'm ready. If you haven't been living under a rock, you already know what's been brewing. Rihanna has launched her Fenty Skin collection, and she has 3 products, and I'm so excited because I love Rihanna and everything she does, whether it's with makeup or the lingerie line she has, and now the Fenty Skin. Like, I love that she's all about inclusion. You can just tell that she takes a lot of thought and consideration when making her products. She doesn't just throw something out. She considers people who look like me, and yeah, like, we have to support. And y'all, like, before I get into the review, if y'all have not seen the commercial campaign, whatever you want to call it, I call it a commercial, for the launch of Fenty Skin, you need to go look at it right now because melanin was popping throughout that whole entire video. It's 2020. If you only have one black girl and one Latina in your video, then boo, it ain't gonna cut it no more. So yeah, I'm excited, so let's get right into this. So first things first, I'm going to do is wash my hands before I actually open the product. So I'll be right back. Well, I lied. Actually, I'm going to open the product first, then I'm gonna wash my hands. But can we take a moment to like acknowledge the effort? I mean, am I not just giving you luxurious melanin? Am I not luxurious? Yeah. And Fenty, if you ever need another influencer chocolate, you already know what to do, boo. So yeah, I'm gonna open it first, and my sister already opened it last night, but I did not look because I wanted to be surprised. But I'm gonna say right off the bat, Fenty, Rihanna, I love you, but baby, we need to do better with packaging. And usually this is like for all of her stuff, because I have gotten Fenty beauty stuff, and the packaging is like always like this, like just bland on the outside. It is always cute on the inside, but still, sis, like, you can put a stamp on there or something. Do something. So like, it takes away from the experience when I get my box and it's like this. Like, I'm excited because I know what's in it, but like, make me excited before I even open it, girl. I'm just saying. Alright, okay. Calm down, Caitlin. Oh, you can't see me. Hold on. This is how the box is looking right now. You can't even see it because it's like, it's white, so it's not really cutting up with my ring light. They're like clashing. So yeah, that's all it is. It's cute though. I like it when you open it. It feels summery. Not as luxurious as I was, you know, hoping, because I'm in the mood. But it's cute. So now I'm just gonna take off the paper because we don't need that. I'm just gonna pull some out. Okay, this is the Fenty Fat Water. Can we focus? Can we? Please? Okay, there you go. All right, so this is how the Fat Water looks. It's so cute, like a little pink color, and I like it. Okay, and this is the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. This is how that looks. The Total Cleanser, $21.31 according to this receipt. I gotta angle it and everything. Acting crazy. Come on now, yeah. I don't know, but y'all see it though, right? And this right here is the, what is this?
Oh my God, what is that?
Oh, that's the moisturizer and the sunscreen. Girl, it came in a little thingy. What? Why coming in like it's a drugstore product? Okay, whatever. But this is how it looks. This is the package that it came in. I promise I'm not being rude. This is like the sleeve of the Hydro Visor, and this is the actual like stuff that you get that you can like rebuy. So just put this through here. Bada boom, push it down, and yeah, now you can up, down. So now I'm going to wash my hands and we're going to get into this process. Okay, so I'm back and I already wet my face because ain't no point of me going back and forth. So I'll start with the Total Cleanser. It says use day and night to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. Wet skin, work into a lather, rinse. For external use, only use as directed. Okay, simple enough. So now I'm just gonna squeeze a little out. It's like gooey almost. This top is cute. Can y'all see that? Whoa, it's like It's like almost gum, a little bit gummy. No, you know, like when you leave it in your mouth for a long time and it gets like really soft. That's kind of what it's like. So I'm just gonna put this on my fingertips and put it on my face. This smells good. I really couldn't smell it when I first put it out on my hand, but as I rubbed it on my face, I did smell it. The scent is not strong at all. Not sensitive, but I can just smell stuff in my nose. Yeah, it's creamy and feels so good. I'm about to go wash it off and I'll be right back. So, okay, now my skin, it feels clean. It feels like nothing. Like, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't feel dry, but like, it's like, it just feels like nothing. Okay, next product. So next we are going to go in with the fat water. Instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark marks, even skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. Fenty, if you're viewing this, I can read better than this, I promise. When I think of a toner, I think of witch hazel. And when I think of a serum, I think of olive oil, because like oils or whatever. So I guess she blended that into one. We shall see how it works. It doesn't come out like as soon. Oh, yes you can. Never mind. If you shake it rough enough, it'll come out. But like just holding it over your hand, it won't come out. It feels like weighted water a little bit. So we're just gonna put this on the skin. I feel like I got a whole lot, so I'm just gonna put it all over my skin basically. I've used witch hazel before, so I know when I encounter it. And does this have it in there? People were saying that. I think it, or they're comparing it to it. I don't know, but I can feel it. Like, I mean, like not feel it, but I can smell it. I can tell it has witch hazel in it, but it's also like bouncy. So yeah. Now my face feels like it has something on it. So yeah, I don't know what that means, but if you know skin, baby, proceed to tell them in the comments. Last product, moisturizer and SPF thingy. And I'm most excited about this one because I use SPF because they say that it takes away dark marks and everything, and because like you need it because like the sun is like mean or whatnot. So it's convenient to have it in a moisturizer and a, you know, thing. So you ain't got to use two products at once, basically what I'm trying to say. To the top like this, and I'm gonna pump some out. Okay, I feel it. Okay, I probably ran out. I think I did. It's like that soft pink color like the others. Okay, yeah. This one is more scented than the other ones. But like again, it's not like anything like just, it ain't hit me like I had to put my nose up to it. But I guess some people are more scent sensitive than I am, but I got a pretty, you know, good knocker. So anyways, I like edible scents like vanilla, chocolate. This is more like on the side, you know, like those scents from Bath and Body Works, like the fruity ones, like that. Yeah, it don't stink, but it's like, it's not my first choice. Like a Savage X Fenty brand ambassador should. And I want to see if this comes up like purple, because that's what's happened sometimes, and I hope this is not doing it. So we're gonna see what happens. And now this is how my skin looks with the moisturizer on, and as you can see, it ain't purple, ain't no white cast. Get into it. Now that I'm done doing showing part of the review, let's get into my final thoughts. Okay, so I'm gonna start doing this from my favorite product to my least favorite product. Favorite is the Total Cleanser. I liked it because it felt so good going on. It felt like lotion going on. It didn't really feel like a typical facial cleanser that I've ever used before. And it didn't leave my skin dry. It just felt like nothing. Like, it felt clean, but like not dry. It just felt like nothing. My second favorite would have to be the moisturizer with the SPF in it. I like it because A, it didn't make my skin purple. It's not my favorite scent. I would like a vanilla one, Rihanna, and it makes my skin feel good. But I'm used to like heavy moisturizing creams. I use Pond's cream. I like, you know, I like being shiny and looking glowy, and this does that, but it doesn't feel as heavy. So my least favorite product would have to be the fat water, mainly because I don't really use toners. Like, maybe my thoughts will change as I use it like over time. Maybe it'll do something for my skin, I don't know, but I'm not really like a toner user every day. So I feel like this really wasn't beneficial to me because I really don't use toners. So you see what I'm saying? Yeah. So would I buy this again? To be quite honest, if this doesn't do anything just magical for my skin, probably not, because of the price. If she comes out with like, you know, like a college discount, or if I become a brand ambassador, of course I would, because of course I would. But because like this was $80. This is $80. And like the way my college funds are operating, that's just not realistic for me. You know, things start happening, maybe yes, but if that doesn't happen, I'll just keep the bottles as souvenirs. But yeah, those are my final thoughts on the product. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, you already know what to do. If you see the red button, make it great and subscribe. And if you want to see even more of this beautiful chocolate face, do not forget to follow me on my social media accounts to be listed up above just for you, and in the description box just for you. Rihanna, if you see this and you want a chocolate drop on your campaign, just, you know, hit me up, have your people contact my people, and we can get this to go. But yeah, that is the end of my review, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.